US President Joe Biden on Wednesday, March 16, 2022, announced the disbursement of $1 billion (14.3 trillion Indonesian rupiah) to supply weapons and drones to Ukraine. The $1 billion fund consists of the $200 million allocated last weekend and the $800 million aid package approved by Congress last week. This is a direct transfer of equipment from our Ministry of Defense to the Ukrainian military to help them fight this Russian invasion, Biden said. Then, what weapons and equipment will Ukraine get from America? Here are the details. 1. S-300 long-range missile defense. Ukraine has the capability to shoot down Russian aircraft and cruise missiles at relatively close range. Now, the US is working on a weapons system that can attack aircraft further. According to military sources, the system is a Soviet/Russian S-300, which, like the US Patriot system, is a fully automated ground-based radar and missile launcher unit. The S-300 can also detect, track and shoot multiple incoming air threats at once at long ranges. Ukraine already knows how to operate the S-300, and the United States and a number of NATO countries have systems or components in place to supply Ukraine. Two, Kamikaze drones. America will send Ukraine 100 Switchblade drones equipped with cameras. Basically, the Switchblade drone is a flying bomb that is remotely controlled and can be directed by the operator to find a target, then when ready, launches into the target and explodes on contact. Dubbed the Kamikaze drone, the Switchblade can extend the range of attacks against Russian vehicles and units beyond the user's sight. The Switchblade has an advantage over the heat-seeking missiles used by Ukraine against Russian tanks. Three, anti-aircraft Stinger. The United States also provided an additional 800 Stingers, which are shoulder-mounted infrared anti-aircraft missiles. The US gave Afghan forces a Stinger in the 1990s to shoot down a Russian helicopter. Ukraine has used it effectively against Russian helicopters and low-flying aircraft. Four, Javelin missiles. Western allies have provided the Ukrainian army with about 17,000 shoulder-launched light missiles, which have become the weapon of choice in ground warfare. This weapon has a great effect on destroying armored vehicles at close range. Among these is the US-made Javelin, with a dual payload designed to defeat Russian tank anti-missile defenses. The effectiveness of Javelin is well known. In Ukraine, until there was a popular song praising the Javelin, and even now there is a viral image calling him Saint Javelin, of a woman holding a gun. Biden said Washington would send an additional 2,000 Javelin missiles to Ukraine.
Here we go.
5. Weapons, ammunition, body armor. The new U.S. arms supply also includes another 7,000 anti-armor guns, thousands of machine guns, rifles, grenade launchers, 20 million rounds of small arms ammunition conforming to Russian and NATO standards, and 25,000 sets of body armor and helmets.
No big deal. Using an IMI mag, so I'm not sure how good this is going to go. Here we go. Woo! Go ahead, clear that. Now, in most cases, an AK-47 is going to not penetrate even a level 3, in my experience. Let's go down and set this plate out. Here we go. All right, well, I'm not exactly sure what happened there. A little bit, something hit here, but we've got complete separation of whatever that film is. So let's go ahead and hit it. I'm going to aim low because I think we hit high. Stand by. All right, here we go. Well, we got something that time. Let's go ahead and put this thing on safe. Put it in there. Okay, so you guys are seeing this. There's some steel sticking out of the side right here. Got some more separation up here. And a little bit of bulging in the back. Huh, interesting. Let's go ahead and hit it with some 193. Stand by. Okay, so right now what we're doing, this is the, what is this? The Lead Star Grunt. Now, I'm running a 2x prism scope from the guys over there at Primary Arms. I haven't sighted this thing in, so hopefully, hopefully we will hit this guy with some integrity. Where the hell did my damn magazine go? Oh, here it is. So this is the M193. Here we go. Let's see how we did. Stand by. Okay, so again, 0 penetration. We are seeing some deformation in the coating, but not a whole hell of a lot's going on here. Guys, I'm at 20 yards. This is an impact here. We got some spalling trying to come out right there. The camera will tell us more. I'm going to put it on the slow-mo. You're seeing it before I am. So let's go ahead and try the XM193, or 855. Stand by. All right, so here we are, man. We're going to do some 855. It ain't going to go in that way. There we go. All right, same thing. I think we did all right there. Let's see how we did. That's some big-ass geese. All right, so here we go. 855 penetrators, as you can see. A lot of separation off the back right here. A lot off the bottom. I haven't seen anything go in. If I haven't hit the damn thing, I don't know what's going on. So, yeah, maybe I'm not hitting it. But I can't believe that all that steel and everything's going in here and this is not penetrating. Look at that. So now, it's time to have some fun. Let's see what a 458 SOCOM will do to the steel. Won't penetrate it, nothing else is. Let's see if we can dent it. Stand by. All right, here we are. This is fun. So these are, I don't have my glasses on me. Good Lord, I'm blind as hell. Underwood. These are, oh, it's not, it's Underwood, not, I'm looking for an A. All right, so these guys, these are 350 grain. They're moving at 1,600 feet and 50 feet per second. She's cooking. The cool thing is that I'm using it on top of the Lead Star lower that I just shot with the other one. And the cool, absolute wonderful thing, it cycled and locked back the way it was supposed to. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and put it to the test. This is going to be fun. I hope it's on target. Here we go. I don't think we've seen it rock tires like that yet. Let's get on down there and check it out. Stand by. Okay, we figured it pretty much, it wasn't going to penetrate it, but look what it did. It totally delaminated the whole thing. It looks like everything I'm shooting at is hitting down there, as you can see. But man, let's aim a little higher. Shoot it one more time, and then we're going to hit it with some 44. See how that works. Stand by. All right, we got one more round. Let's do it. Aim a little higher. Here we go. Oh. Oh, rot-roll. The temperature just dropped a little bit. All right, so I decided, because of safety reasons, let's do it from back here. What are we shooting? These are the Fiocchi 230 grain, big boys. All right, so here we go. I don't even know if I'll hit the thing, but if we do, my problem is I can't see the sights. Oh, shit. All right, we're done. There we go. All right. That's it. Let me go get the plate.